This is CDC approved self-testing kit for international travel. So if you have a plan for traveling internationally and need a test result to come back to US, this is it. Point your phone camera at this QR code and download the Navica app. And there you can start your test. So after downloading the Navica app, you're going to create an account. And then you can tap on the box that says I have a test. Then scan the barcode on the side of the box. Video chat is done so that the test is done correctly. When you tap on the test with EMAT, you're going to be connected with someone. I was a bit worried about time difference between Korea and US, but that wasn't a problem. I think there's always somebody available for any time zones, so don't worry about that. But what's really important is that you take this test 3 days prior to your departure date. Departure date time doesn't matter. For example, if you're flying on Friday, regardless of the time, you can take the test after Tuesday, 12 a.m. until you are talking to a guide. I think that's what they refer themselves as. Don't open this. That's very important. They will walk you through step by step, and it's really, really easy. This is what you're going to see in the box: the COVID-19 test card and the squeeze bottle and the giant Q-tip. They're going to have you open this envelope, which this card is in. They make you open it. They're going to have you drop 6 drops on this top hole. When you're going through it, there's really nice illustration. And then you're going to grab this giant Q-tip and you're going to push that in from the bottom up. So you're going to be doing like this. You're going to be turning this 3 times. So the liquid that you put in is well spread out in this Q-tip. You're going to take this off. You're going to close it. And then it'll be shut. That's the whole test. So the next thing the guide is going to tell you is go away for 30 minutes, keep your phone on, obviously, and another guide will get connected, and then they're going to walk you through how to read the result. I had a negative result. This is what that means. Negative, you only get 1 red line, and they will tell you that the line can be a little bit faded. So don't be alarmed if you're not seeing like very vivid red line here. That whole process took the 30 minutes waiting time plus going through each step, maybe 35 minutes. So it's super fast, super easy. I got this 6-pack from emed.com, emed.com, but you don't have to get 6 set. You can also get 1 or 2 separately from CVS too. So if you don't need all 6, you have that option as well. One thing you do have to make sure is that you have strong internet connection, so you're never disconnected. So make sure you're in a place where that's taken care of. So what you can see on the left is what you will see after the testing is done in Navica app. So I submitted this exact image to VeriFLY app. Once the test result is accepted, you're going to see this status, ready to travel, what you can see on the right. I got to go before a lot of people in the line because I had VeriFLY. So I strongly recommend doing it if your airline accepts VeriFLY. You have to agree that you have a hard copy of your testing result in VeriFLY, but I did not have to present a hard copy of a testing result when I was checking in at the airport. Okay, and last thing, this was so cute. This is laptop sticker. This is so cute. I don't really get souvenirs, but this was so cute. And then this one, I love this pattern. It's called 단청. I love it. That's why I put it there to show you a little bit of Korea.